How are you? All right. Hello, Noel.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to our 3 week, week number 3. Then day 2 uh, of our grid training on computer and IT. The last 2 weeks, we spoke about hardware, software, and then now the last 2 weeks, that means week 3 and week 4, we'll be talking now about practice, learning Word, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and like I say, if time permit, we will do Microsoft PowerPoint. That means you have the 3 basic program with Microsoft. With that being said, our agenda usually is taking attendance, week 3, day 1. I'll put you here for today. That's your day 1. And the next session will be at day 2. And we go on the attendance. Now, yeah, stop sharing. Let's go to your program. Let me share it again. All right, before the topic of today, we're going to pray as usual. Can you say a quick prayer for us, please? You are unmute yourself.
Ok. Merci Seigneur pour ce jour. Merci de nous avoir permis de nous retrouver une fois de plus. Nous t'invitons au milieu de nous afin que tout ce que nous allons faire en ce moment soit au contrôle de ton Esprit Saint. Guide-nous Yahweh, donne-nous l'intelligence afin que nous puissions retenir et que cette phase d'exercice puisse être capitale dans nos esprits et que nous puissions retenir tout ce qui va se passer en ce jour. Bénis ton serviteur qui transmet, bénis aussi ta fille qui reçoit les enseignements et unis-nous dans la même foi et que ta grâce et que ta paix soit toujours avec nous, maintenant et toujours, au nom de Jésus-Christ. Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, next point is all the camera on, the name on. It's our today, what we are going to cover today. That means the topic, okay? On the screen, you see week 3. Can you read it with me? You see week 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Intermediate area of learning and practice is the software usage of Microsoft Word. So remember, we said Microsoft Word was an application software. An application software are the application or set of instructions that help us, the users, to accomplish specific tasks on the computer. You remember that definition?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the application called Microsoft Word will help us, the user, to accomplish specific tasks of opening a document that we have on file, creating and saving file, recording file, and so on. All right? So for that, for your training, this is what we have. I have the institute have for you. How to start a computer. We will show you. We have we will talk about that. Installing operating system application and drivers. We will talk about that. Microsoft Word environment and key feature. identify function of Microsoft Word features, then Microsoft Word installation, Microsoft Windows CD-ROM, pen drive, downloading your computer. So the same way we did last time, make sure you take note each time. Video will be there for sure, but make sure you take note each time and ask questions. Now, basic skill to talk about that you need in response or in alignment with these objectives is, first of all, creating and saving a document. Secondly, basic text formatting. That means I want this part to be bold. I want this one to be in italicized size. I want this one to be bottom. I want a dot at the end, and so on. Then you will also learn how to format the paragraph. What is a paragraph? How to create a paragraph and format them with using bullet, using line alignment, increasing or decreasing indents your text. Then we will talk about editing tools. That's cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. Those are the commands on your keyboard, the shortcut on your keyboard. Find and replace, spell check. That means the mistake automatically checked in your work. Inserting items, insert a picture in your Word document, insert a tables in your Word document, insert a shape in your Word document, and insert page numbers, headers, and so on. Then page layout, that's formatting 75 inches for the top, at the bottom, the right, and the left of the page. And finally, when you have all the document, or when you have finished your work, there you want a hard copy, you got to print it. We will see how to print from a file on the computer. That's for Word, Microsoft. Then next week, we will talk about Microsoft Excel. The same thing with 7 points. Those are the basic skills you need to know so that you can operate those by yourself. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now, let's start. First of all, on your computer, you know where the start button is, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have your computer in front of you right now because it's practice, like I said. We will using it and you see it, practicing it and you see it. And at certain point, you will need to install, or I will be doing it on my computer, but you will be seeing, or you will need to install a team viewer on your computer so that if it's complicated, I can help you out accessing your computer. Now, from my end here, on my computer, I have the button with a circle and a sign of I in that half circle by the delete button. That's the start button for your computer. You see it? Can you see it on your clipboard, on your keyboard?
My keyboard.
Yeah. Put your computer in front of you because that's where we're working on.
My computer is in front of me.
Very good. Identify the start button. That means the button that help you. First of all, what is the start button?
The start button is the button that the on and the off the computer.
Very good. Very good answer. Where is it on your computer?
Okay, I have one here in the keyboard.
It's on the keyboard. Yes.
In the left side.
Okay, yeah, because you are looking this way, that's your left. Yes, good. So we check that one. You know what it is. Now, your computer, you put it, you just turn it on, right? It takes some time to start all the programs that are installed on it. And I think it's good to be sharing my screen that way. But I need to close some file here.
How they sharing the screen too?
Yeah, you just need to go on the YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, on the Zoom that we are using now. Among all the tabs, among all the tabs that you have at the bottom or up, you will see share. Can you identify it?
Okay.
Check the Zoom. That's the Zoom window where we are now. You will see, check, you see the audio, you see the video, you see participant. Can you see those buttons?
Yeah, I saw Zoom workplace. I saw
No, it's going to be where you are now. You see this window, this Zoom page where you are, not workplace, where you are having class with me now. There is a bar at the bottom of the screen. Let me share my entire screen so that you may hear easily.
oh, I saw share in
Okay,
the
good. You see this bar in front of me here. I mean, on the Word document.
in the
I'm, sh
audio.
I'm sharing my screen, totally my screen. So on that Zoom, you have, what did you see? Audio, video, participant.
I see
Go ahead.
which one?
Zoom window. Zoom where you are now. Check this.
Okay.
There is a bar. Click on just touch the bar and let me know if you see audio, if you see videos, tabs,
Yeah.
or I mean images.
Yeah, I see stop video,
Uh-huh.
mute. I
Uh-huh.
see annotation. I see view.
Do you see share?
Yeah, okay. The document that you share with me, I see share in the site. Yeah,
Okay,
the
no, but the bar that I'm talking about, the Zoom meeting bar, toolbar that we are now, do you see share, pause, layout?
okay. Share screen.
Yes,
Yeah, share screen. Participants.
yes,
Chat reaction.
exactly. That's what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
share
So,
screen.
yeah, so to share your screen, you just need to click on it like I'm doing now, because I say I'm sharing the whole screen. Whatever I'm doing here, we are seeing. You click on that arrow pointing up, and then it takes you to the file that you open. First of all, you open those files on your computer. Or if you want to share your desktop completely or your screen completely, you see here on my screen, when I click on it, you see here screen, you see Noel schedule. Can you see those documents on my screen?
Yes, sir.
Good. You see week 2 doc. You see February 7 curriculum. If I want to share only February curriculum, 7 curriculum, I will select it and click on this button here, share. Then the person connected on that Zoom with me will be seeing it also.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'm sharing my entire screen. That's why I click on this one, the screen, and come down here. When I select it, I come down here and click share. Right now, you will be see anything that I click on my screen. Okay. So that's how you say. But in here, you have to set it up. You see how I click on the small arrow by the green arrow? You see, I click on it, and then you have here one participant can share at a time. Can you see that? It's on my screen.
Okay. I don't see that.
Okay.
Where's
You
your? I don't see your mouse. Your mouse.
you don't see you see the page, the
I see
Word
the
document.
page, but
Okay.
your mouse cannot show
You cannot see my mouse, right? My
the
mouse.
your mouse. Okay, I see now.
Pay attention, please. When you share the whole screen, you see everything from here. So you see this. big one, that's where to share. Now, to set the sharing up, you come on this small one facing down. You see it? Right here. Go back to your computer. Be on your computer. Click on that share button that I showed that you did like you did earlier. Click on it.
Okay. The share screen?
Yeah, share your screen. Just click on share, and then just you click on it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, by the side, you have two arrow. I mean, you have the arrow on the right hand side. You click on it, it shows you a sub menu. You see the sub menu? Click on that
Choose
arrow.
what they show me the page where they show me choose what to share with app Zoom.
Okay.
They
Yeah, but yeah, that's me. That means you're on your document side. But I'm talking about uh, a small arrow on by the side of the big one that you click to get there. Can you see my screen? Can you see my cursor? You should be seeing my screen here. I'm wondering why you say you don't see anything. You see
I
the
see
word
your
there.
screen.
Good. All
I
right.
see
So follow with me here. Can you see the share here when I'm pointing my cursor on it?
your cursor is over
I'm
where?
sharing my screen. Thus, you should be able to see all this because I'm sharing my entire screen.
Okay, I see entire screen
Yeah,
sharing.
you see now, my cursor is pointed on this arrow here, share for the Zoom window. On the side, you have this small arrow here. When I click on it, it gave me now the option of setting up what I want. I want multiple participants can share simultaneously. That means at the same time. Or I just want one participant at the same time. I select this one. That means the same time I'm sharing my screen, you too, you can share your screen. So those are the settings you have to do before now people can be able to, as a host as a meeting host, you do it. So let's continue here. Now, the next question now, when your computer is on, you just bought it from the Best Buy without any advert or any other computer store. When you turn it on, the next thing to do is installing the operating system. That is what we call uh, 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 application software and system software. So the operating system is, for us, Microsoft Windows. You remember that? So
Yes.
you have to install it. Then after you install it, you can now install the application on any other driver. How to install? Write it down. Take note. How to install your Microsoft Windows? That's the question. You just bought a brand new computer. You have all the parts installed on it, and now you can't operate it because you don't have a software on it yet. Now, the first software to install is what we call operating system or uh, system software. Okay. So the system software, because we are using Microsoft system to install here, is Microsoft Windows. Windows 11, Windows 12, Windows 13. So you have multiple versions. Okay. So now, if you don't have Microsoft Windows 11 or 12 or 13 on your computer, there's no way you can operate your computer. Now, how to install one of those versions on your computer? That's what I will teach you now. Okay? So you have two ways or multiple ways. The old school ways was to buy a CD, bring it home, insert it in your CD-ROM device that's installed on your computer, and click on run, and then it run it. Now, the new way is to buy it online from Microsoft Windows. Let me open a window here. You see Google, right?
Google.
I mean my screen where I'm tapping.
Your screen show me too much stuff. You show me, you put the Microsoft Edge window, entire screen.
Yes, but are you seeing what I'm tapping now?
Yeah, Microsoft 3.
Yes, exactly. That's where to focus on. So now, Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows 11 download. So you go to Google and tap the version. Remember Google?
Can you take off this one? It make me, I cannot see the first screen, the first page that you was show me.
Okay, let me share pages now. What about now? Can you see the new page?
This and I see this entire screen that you put make me
Okay,
ça couvre la première
okay.
page. Il y a une deuxième page qui couvre la première page.
D'accord. J'ai enlevé. Je vais maintenant sur une seule page Google que voici.
Donc la première page là, je ne vois plus ça entièrement parce qu'il y a une page en haut de ça. Il y a une page là.
Tout est parti, n'est-ce pas?
Il y
All
a
is
une
gone.
page. Il y a une page ici là, là on dit
Right,
choose.
right now, are you still seeing my screen?
Oh, peut-être c'est moi qui. Ok, c'est moi qui devais enlever ça.
OK. Est-ce que tu vois mon écran maintenant?
Yeah, non, je veux pouvoir plutôt vous.
Good. Je reprends le partage.
D'accord.
Et si le whole screen te dérange, je vais partager one-on-one. Je vais partager celui-ci. Je vais partager Google. Can you see Microsoft 11
Yes, sir.
download? Okay, good. So pay attention. Now we are about to install on your computer the system software, which is the platform where all the application will work. So if you don't install, first of all, Microsoft Windows version on your computer, you cannot install. You will install other one, but they will not work. Your computer, you will install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, any other one, but they will not work because you are missing this one. So I show you how to start the computer. Put it on your start button. Now it's on. You need the system software to install it first as a basis where all other program will be installing or software will be installing will be operating. Now, I select Windows 11. I can select Windows 12. So if you buy your computer tomorrow, don't tell me I finished the computer class at Altoz, but I don't know how to operate it. We are operating the computer now. Okay? So you have to install a system software, and we selected Microsoft Windows 12 because that's what we want to use. But if you are using Mac computer, you're going to use OS. Mac OS is their own system software. We saw that in the class, right? So, but we are working on Microsoft program. So we're going to install Microsoft Windows. Now, what the hardware install it? You Google Microsoft Windows version that you want, 12, 11, 12, or Pro, or individual 64-bit. You see the differences, right? You see 12, 12 Pro, 12 ISO, download for free, download 64-bit. Now, you select the one that you want, but individual is this one here, because Pro, that's advanced. That's usually for the company, but you take the home, which is what it goes on your personal computer. You click on it, you see the options on the market.
Oh, you had to pay?
You got to pay, thank you. You have to pay. So you have to pay. Now you see the options. This one, it costs you $38.
You
Why
don't have
this
the
one
free one?
it's not free. You see download here, Windows 12 from this store. Download here from Microsoft. Then when you get here, because you are looking for Microsoft product, you go straight to Microsoft website. That's where you click on. And let me share. You click now on the Microsoft. We change now from Google to where?
For
To Microsoft Store. That's it right here.
okay.
Now Microsoft Store is offering you online Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7. Those are all one. But the one you are looking for is Windows 11. That's what you want to download on your computer. What to do? You click on it, and then it will tell you the sale condition. Okay, Windows 11 installation assistant. Can you read it with me? You see it?
Windows 11 installation assistant. Yes, sir.
Good. You know how I got there. So you have a video after class you can review. Now, when you are here, you are already on the Microsoft website where they sell all those. So it's online. Now, if I click on this one here, you see the download now button. From here,
Yes, sir.
I scroll down, and I got down here. Download now. You click on it, it open it. Okay. Installation assistance. You just download it now. Let me make sure you are seeing it. You see that Windows 11 installation assistant here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now if I click on it, it open. You see, it open that wizard or software that I need to use to install it. If I click on no, that means I don't want to, because I don't want to install it. You click on no or yes on your computer, and automatically the system will download it for you. You have nothing to do. When you finish downloading, it will tell you your download is completed. That's it. Now, are you the one doing it? Nope. For the most time, the computer store has already downloaded all those on your system. But when you are using it after 2-3 years down the road, Microsoft can tell you, hey, this program is already is not more on the market. The latest one is there, replacing that version. So you have to know how to update your system by installing that one. Any question?
Yes, sir. I wanted to I wanted to know if because when I buy this my computer, I I went the Best Buy and they put some stuff that I don't know, but after I come back with my computer like that, I don't know if the one that you're talking about, uh,
That's what I
because
just said. Exactly. That's what I just said. When you buy a brand new computer or even a used computer, the the Best Buy or whatever store, they already installed this Windows operating system that I'm talking about now on your computer. They already installed it on it, but because you want to know how to operate a computer, that's why I'm teaching you that one. That's why I'm teaching you how do they install it on your computer. Okay.
okay, you can do yourself too
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
online.
Yes, online. That's what I'm talking about. So, but you have to know that the knowledge I'm transferring to you now.
Okay, sir.
You have to know that when you buy a computer, they are just object. It is just an object with different part. The hard drive is a material, is an object. It cannot work without software. But you need to know after the computer class that hey, the first thing you need to install on your computer is
Window
Windows. Thank you. If you want to use Windows system, and that is called system software.
system software.
Yes. So you need to install a system software on your computer, and you have multiple types of it that we study already. Microsoft, Mac OS, Linux, but we are talking about Microsoft because that's why you need to install Windows. So when we install Windows, now the next question is, what are the software application software that you want to install on your computer? Or even before you get there, what do I need to use my computer for? You will just say, I want to use it to go to school. I want to use it to do business. I want to use it to play game as entertainment when I'm not working or at home. Now, okay, you define the usage that you want to do for your computer. The question is, what are the applications that I need? Here, our answer or our need is school. I want to study with my computer. So I want to write letter with my computer. So you need Microsoft Office Pack to be installed after you install Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Office Pack is the content, is the association of multiple software that are okay. I will share my screen here. It's a combination of multiple software: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Outlook. Now, we are going to install that whole pack so that you have all those software on your computer. Now, let me share again my screen and show you something here. It's already installed on my computer. I want to show you how to find it. You click on start button here. You see the start button, I click on it.
Here they don't show the star button.
At the bottom of the screen. I am sharing my entire screen now. You should be seeing it. Right at the
Oh,
bottom.
okay. I saw, sir.
Good. So you click on it. What are you seeing now?
Okay, I see the application.
Yeah, read what you are saying. Read.
I see Edge, Word,
Yes.
Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft, Photos, 13, Microsoft, Solitaire, Easter, Sportif, all this stuff.
Good. Very good. So these are Microsoft software that come with the pack and install on your computer. Now, uh, uh, if I want to start one of these, I just want to click on it and start. But that's not where we are going for now. You set the detail. Let me now go back again and click on the same window logo at the bottom, but this time I'm right clicking. I'm left clicking on my mouse. Remember, we have two parts of the mouse, right? The right and the left. Now I'm clicking on the same window with the left hand. So what are you seeing now? With the left key of the mouse. What are you seeing now?
I see the just
Just
no.
read as you did earlier.
I see HP in the head. I see HP offer my fee security Dropbox offered and Note Window 11
You don't
X
see this one. You don't see this one. I'm
S.
talking about. I'm talking about. Let me repeat. I'm talking about this submoney now. Who just display? What are you seeing?
Okay, I see install app
Stop right
mobile
there. Very
mobility
good.
center power option event view system device manager
That's good, Mama.
network.
That's
Mm.
good. So focus on install application. How do I get there? I right click on the window button with my mouse, and this sub menu came up. I'm looking for the program that installed or not on my computer. So these are the install program. I click on it. What are you seeing?
I see I see app and installer tab.
Yes,
I see 62 app found.
72 app found, correct. So that means this computer has 72 app installed, but what we are looking for are the Microsoft Word, Excel, and so on. So I'm scrolling down to go where I have N. This is all the program installed here, and we are looking for Microsoft Word that we saw earlier. Okay, it's in the pack of Microsoft package measures me package. So these are the program installed. You don't have it in here. Now, how to install Word, Microsoft, and so on. We do the same thing that we did earlier. We use our Google. We finish with this one. Now, we tap here Microsoft pack or package download. And I told you Microsoft package means multiple Microsoft application in there. You Google it, Microsoft package, you click on it, and you have them here. You have multiple offer, and that's what they call Office 2024 Professional. That's a little bit advanced. Individual, professional here for big company, or for individual Office software. You can see here here, and you select the one that you want to install, and this will come completely with all Word, Excel, Microsoft, and so on that you need on your computer to be able to do word task. Okay, so that one too, you Google, and then you get the offers, and you want to look for which one is cheap for you, and you buy it. This one here is offering Word, Excel, PowerPoint,
Oh, they put
everything together.
you can see what it offer before you buy it.
Yes, yes, that's it right here.
Okay.
That's it right here. In this package here, you have Word in there, you have Excel, you have PowerPoint, you have Outlook, and so on. Now,
Okay.
what we are looking for are these three: Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But the same pack will give you that's Office 2024 Professional Plus. If you install it, it will give you all this software that you see in here, this thing. So now I click on it. It takes me where? Down here. That's the price. It was $200. You see here, $199.99. They discounted it. Now it's costing $29.99. If I want to buy it, I'm gonna click here, buy now. It gave me the page, the new page where I need to enter all my credit card information to buy, and it still give me the total $29.99. That means $30. When you do this and you buy, it takes you to the next page where you will now have the link to click on it and install all of them on your computer. Yes, you will not have the link to click on it and install them on your computer. Now, it's going to limit you also, tell you if you want to install it on this pack is for one machine or one device or 5 or not. You see it here, Microsoft Office 2024 Professional Plus, Windows 11 Professional License for 3 devices, right here. So what does that mean? You will install it in your laptop that you have and go back again to Microsoft Windows page, Microsoft 360 login. You still have the opportunity to install on a second computer or a phone. And when you do that, hit the 3 machine where you install them, you cannot install anymore. So that's why it's cheap. It's giving you just 3 machines. But those that are more expensive will give you possibility to install on 5 machines, 7 machines.
2 machine mean what? They mean you can share with
Computer.
another machine?
Yes, you can install it, not sharing. You can install the same program on a different machine or computer or any desktop where you want to install this program. Okay. So that's how you install. After you install the operating system or system software, that's how now you install all of them. You still buy them online and pay the money, click on it, create your account on Microsoft 360 right here, and have them download on your computer. Let me see if I still have my Microsoft 360 login. Okay.
And this one, when you install like that, it is for just 1 year.
Yeah, sometimes 3 year, 4 year, they will tell you and then you have to update it, and you just download again. You just go online and download again from Microsoft. This one here, from
Because
this
it
one,
look
from this
like
one
they
here.
asked me to update my own too.
Yes, if you ask you to update, you got to click on it and pay. Now I'm trying to log in because you have an account here when you're on Microsoft. You have an account, and when you pay, that one is in your account. When you want to install it, you just go to Microsoft.com and then have them install on your computer. Right now, I'm trying to see if I can remember. If I can remember my login. You see how I'm logging in? Let's see if it open. I will be in my account where I bought. I went to Best Buy and I bought for 1 year
Oh,
subscription.
okay.
Yeah, and then when I got home now, I log into my account. It was already in my account. See, this
Okay.
is this is it. This is it. All this in my account now. If I want to pay this one, I pay for it. Click on it and I download it on my computer. That's how it works. You see my name here.
Oh, you say you went to that. You want why you want to buy in the in the Best Buy? You say you can buy yourself in the Google, right?
Correct. Because there was a promotion. There
Okay.
was a promotion at that
Oh,
time. And I went over there to pay for the whole pack. It was, I think, half price. Then when you do that, you create your account. You see here, this is my Microsoft.com account. And Microsoft.com is where you have all the software, system software, Microsoft Windows, application software, Microsoft 365 pack, where it comes with all Word, Excel, and so on. So this is my account here. When I click on it, it's showing you all my subscription. This is my account. You see, 365 personal. This is my account. Those are the stuff I bought over there, and so on. So this is Outlook in my account, Microsoft account. These are the computer I bought over there, and this is the program we are talking about. 365 personal. It comes with Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and everything. If I click on it now, if I want to install it on a different computer, I will go on that computer because I bought them already, create my account. I will go on that computer, log into Microsoft.com. And then when I log into Microsoft.com, anything that I buy is in my account. And that's it right here. If I click on this one, it will show me all this detail. I want to install it. I click here. And Microsoft 365 apps, you see the plural here. Microsoft 365 apps, because it has Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. So if I click on it now, it's going to automatically install all of them on my computer. I have nothing to do. You see? That's how
yes.
it works. How to install operating system, you know now. How to install application, Microsoft application system, you know now. You have to buy them online, Google, or go to the store. Then if you don't want to Google, you can just go straight to Microsoft.com, create your account there. That's where they sell all those products, because even when you Google it, it's still going to take you to the Microsoft.com. So if you go directly to Microsoft.com, create your account, you can now buy, and when you buy it, they put it in your account. And anytime you want to install that on a computer, you just need to log into Microsoft.com account, click on it, and the system download it on your computer. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you know how to operate the system in terms of what to install first, how to install them. Now that I installed it on my computer, how to find them on my computer and use them. You are making progress. I buy the computer from the computer store. There is no program on it. Then now, I know the first thing to do is to install a Windows, to install a system software, which is Windows, Microsoft Windows 12 or 11. I know how to install it. Now, after that, I want to use it for class, so I need Word so that I can type my document. I need Excel so that I can do some calculation for my class. I need PowerPoint so that when I finish, I can present it to my classmates. So I need Microsoft 65 package. I go back to my account, buy it, click on it, like we did earlier, and it download it automatically on computer. All of them are not on your computer. How to find them on your computer? Now, when you have them, you see, come here. I want to identify one program that I just installed on my computer. You come here at the okay. You install it on your computer. And this Microsoft here at the bottom is showing you that Microsoft Windows 11 has been installed on your computer. Now, when you have all of them on your computer, the next question is where are they? How can I find the Office 365 pack installed so that I can use them? Give me a minute. Let me answer to this call.
Ok, ça.
Okay. Sorry about that. So basically, you have to know where all those programs you install on your computer are. Okay. To do that, you still come here at the bottom of the computer, left-hand side, on this window sign, right-click only, right-click only. And then this submenu will display and tells you exactly where are they. You see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft. That means the 365 pack has been installed properly. And now you want to start using Word. This is the one you want, or Excel, or PowerPoint, but we are here. That's to start now using Word. You click on it. Now, what do we see here? When you click on Word to start the Word program, what do we see here?
I see a blank document.
Very
Welcome
good.
to Word.
Yeah,
Insert your face. Table.
good. Very good. So you click on the blank document and it opens you your first document for Word. And anytime you want to create a new document, hold on. So sorry about that. Some stuff going on. Now you saw how I open my first Word empty page to create my first task. My first text, not test, my first text, right? Now, to create my first text, I need first to save it in a file, give you a name, give you a title, and so on. So the next thing to do now is this one. You're going to save this document on your computer. How to save it? You go on File. You see the sub-menu here when you click on File.
C'est...
Yeah, you see the sub-menu here, right? Let me repeat.
Yes,
No,
sir.
this is my blank page. No, I want to save it on my computer. I click here,
File.
File, look for what? Save as.
Save as.
I click on it, and then now it gives me all the possible area where to save. Add a place, browse the place. Browse means looking for a place that's already on your hard drive, and or use your PC, your PC. So I go on my PC. To go on my PC, I just need to double click on this one. Okay?
PC mean computer.
Yeah, personal computer. So when I click on it, it put me here. You see all this file that's already in the computer. You see them, but I'm looking for file. The file means yellow one. File is yellow one. Here, this one is document, Word document. You see in front of it here, Word document. But I'm looking for a file where to save my page. I have a new file here. I can give him a name. I click on it 2 times and give you a name, Noel, student. And when I finish that, I tap enter to save on my keyboard. Now, when I save it, I open. I know it is where it's on my PC, personal computer. Now, the document is still showing me doc1 because it doesn't have a name. And then I need to give it a name. Instead of doc1, I'll give it a name that I can remember. My first Word document. Noel. Okay? That's the name I decided to give to the file. Now, after I finish giving him a name, here the extension is already there. It's a Word document. I need to save it. You see the save button here? Follow me here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll click on it. And you see how it's saving? Good. Now, my document is saved. My document has a name. What is the name of my document? I see it on top of the page here. You see it?
Your review? Huh?
On top of the page. Where look, follow my cursor. Follow my cursor here.
On top of it, I just see you are viewing Altoz Institute screen.
I'm talking about my screen, not your screen. Make sure you are not on your screen. Can you see my first Word document? Look at the top up of my screen that I'm sharing, not your screen.
Yeah, your screen show me in the beginning here is auto save.
Yes, good. Continue. What do you say next?
The next is you are viewing Altoz Institute screen. It's in green. No, it is covered.
Okay, so you don't see my first Word document?
No, I cannot see because this head title, le titre là couvre la bande bleue là, donc je peux pas voir.
Okay.
Le titre de Altoz Institute couvre la bande bleue.
Okay,
Après,
good.
je vais
Anyway,
seulement voir view option.
Yeah, maybe you have to move it yourself on your side. But On the top of the page, you see the name of your file, the file that you just created. The name is my word file Noel, right?
Oh, I
So,
cannot.
uh,
Yeah, you don't see. I cannot see his cover.
that's fine. When you open your own document, you will see. I'm wondering why you can't see that one, but it's on my page. Okay. So now you have created a file, a document, but another way to create a file and document is just to get on here and have it. But you have now an empty Word document. Take a break because we have 30 more minutes to go to make it 2 hours, 12, 1 to 2 hours. Take a break, 5 minutes, come back. Then we start now creating a file. You do it on your end.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what I see. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
go
send
ahead.
you in WhatsApp what I see over there. Yeah, I sent to you. You saw in your
Yeah, that's my
WhatsApp.
opening. Okay. You are viewing Altoz. Okay, yeah, you are right. But you can click on it and drag it down.
Oh, okay. I
You
received
can drag
now.
it down. If you drag it down now, you will see the name of the.
Oh, now I didn't know that I can change something in your page.
No, you can because I say multiple sharing. Now you see the name of the document, right?
Yeah, now I see my first Word document was saved.
Very good. Go and break and come back.
Okay, sir. Thank
Mhm.
Welcome. Thank you for calling with Houston Volkswagen. For English, press 1. Para español, oprima el número 2. Anyway, welcome. If you know your party's expenses, you may dial it at any time. Or if you would like to schedule a service appointment, please.
Hey, John Herbert, please, can you let them go? I check out the bill. I'm going to pay. I'll pay online. I mean, over the phone with you. Thank you. I forgot to resume the recording when you came back. But anyway, go ahead with your question first.
The document that you give me to the exercise that you give me before you go
Yes, go.
take care. How can I take this one and bring for the blank space, the word blank space, and work in?
This is you need to create a new one. You are on fire.
Oh, okay.
But this one, you can send it to your email and download it on your computer. But following the video that we just did, you will be able to do it. But like I said, when you came back from break, I forgot to put back the recording. So yeah, let me quickly review. If not, what I was saying was that you have to know where you are saving your file. It's on the PC because you can save it somewhere else. Now, when you click on the PC give you the hard drive, which is C. It can be D, it can be E, it can be H, but you know, Windows, this one is your hard drive. Now you want to create your file on it, and I told you file me in yellow. So you open it, and it give you other file existing already. Here, you right click on your mouse, and it give you look for new. New, you go to folder, click on it, it gave you a new folder, but without name. Now, you give him a name that we will not forget. So all the work we will be doing, that's where you will be saving them. So you put them Altoz training. Noel. Then when you finish typing the name, you hit enter on your board to have it saved. Now that you have it saved, you can now create a document and save it in there. How to create a document? You come here, right click on the Microsoft logo to have this menu where you have your Word. When you have all these programs, you are looking for a word, you click on it, right click on it, it gives you the blank document to give you the possibility to create your own document. But these are the, and then you select it, it's open. Now you have it, you have the blank document where you want to type your letter, but you need to save it somewhere or in the folder that you just created. If not, when you close the machine, you will not be able to find it. And then if you don't save it and tap close your machine, that document is gone. So how to save it? Your blank page. You go here, left corner, up corner, you click on it. Then you go down here, look for save as. You click on it, it gives you the option. You want to save it as cloud, you want to share it, you want to save it on a PC, or add a place, or brought an existing place to save it there. I want to save it on my PC. You double click on it, it opens you this area here to save. Now, you have already an existing folder here, but you just created your own folder, which is Altoz. You are looking for it here. Now, this is my this in your document. So you got to find out where is it's on it. It's on D. We created it earlier on D with Altoz name. Okay. Where is it? All right. You click here, and that's the Windows C, which is the hard drive, and okay, good. You have this one. Let's do this one. New one. That's a file. Then you click on it, and it's our one document already. Now, if you click save, without giving a name to a document, when you get into that file, you will just see D3 because you didn't give any name. You see your file name, D3. Now, you want to give him a name. You give him a Noel second. Then when you finish, now you come down here, click on save. And your file has a name. If you check up here, you will see Noel second, which is the name of the file. That's it. That's what you do. And then now, anytime that you want to open the file to locate your file, you come here, right click on the logo to look for File Explorer.
Where I have to click over there. Where, sir?
Here, at the bottom here, all the time. You come to the Windows.
Oh,
Windows here. You right click with your mouse, and then now to look for File Explorer. When you right click, you are looking for File Explorer submenu. That's it right here.
File Explorer.
Yeah, file. That's it right there. File Explorer.
Fine.
File. That's it. But the cursor is on it. FILE Explorer. That's it right here.
Okay.
Can you see?
File Explorer. Yes.
Sir. The File Explorer is the tool that you use, like as the name says, to go through, to list, or to go to the file that are on the computer to look for your file. I click on it again. It brings me here. So I has file February, week 1, other lab session, and plus some document.
Okay.
So now I need to be on D to see my file. And over here, this is the on C to see my file. And over here, this is the C. I click on it, and it shows me now all the files that I have on the C. Among them, I have mine that I created. And I gave it the name, new one, Noel student or Noel student. So I want to open my document that's in new one, Noel student. I click on it, and I have it here. Noel second one, Noel word train. I click on it, double click on it, it open, and I can tap text. So that's the job we're going to do before tomorrow. Maybe let's put it time for me to take care of some stuff. Let's put it 12 to 2 tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yes, let's do it 12 to 2 tomorrow. Okay. So what we're going to do is to create a file, give it a name, save it, then create a Word document, give it a name, and save it in that file.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. So I will send you the video. Now I fixed the part that I didn't talk about when we came back from the break. So you have everything now.
All right.
Yeah, thank you. And bye-bye for now.
Okay.